So, you've done your good deed for the day. Take this mace. It belonged to Callas.
You kept it?
We Nisiros believe that every weapon is alive in its own way. Weapons used for evil live a life of suffering. As a bronze weaver, I tried to heal that mace, cleanse its suffering. Perhaps you can do more.
That is a rare honor, Jason. By law, that mace belonged to Agrios. He worked hard to make something good from it. Bear it with pride.
Hepnage's tracks. It's been here. Not long ago. They lead straight into that rock wall.
Into the rock?
Stand aside.
Jason, here. Between the stingers. Beneath this tuft of fur. The brand of Nessus. We have him now.
To the village. The Beastmaster's time has come. Let the gods be witness to these last rites. Hear me, swift-heeled Hermes. Mark now the life song of Arctos, fallen hunter of the Nasiros. Let this centaur's virtue be a beacon for us who still live. Arctos had a courageous heart that served him as a warrior and hunter for his tribe. He was the first to seek out the dread beast Hypnage, and the first to make her turn her tail and run. May we all show such valor in the battles we are to wage. Arctos of the Nasiros, find now your eternal place. Find now the fate you deserve. You are released from this mortal tether. May unyielding Hades have mercy on your spirit.
By Hermes, you did it! You killed that damn beast!
Arctos!
Noita, you did it!
You can rest now, Arctos.
You have brought great honor to the Nasiros. All of you.
Then quit dawdling, Proudstep. You've loitered long enough. May you run the fields of Elysium forever.
I will prepare a place for you until we hunt again, Atalanta.
To go and kill her. To destroy something so perfect is unforgivable!
That thing was an abomination. As are you.
What a worthless race you are. Weak, small, playthings of the gods. I am Nessus, son of Neros, and I am my race perfected!
When we're done with you, we'll drag your corpse back for all the Nasiros to see.
The Nasiros? My tribe is Raven! Girl, what do you think is going to happen here, human? I've seen more battles than you've seen days in your life!
Nessus, son of Neros! I bear proof of your treachery, and so demand lawful challenge. By the laws of the Nasiros, I call you traitor! Defend yourself!
Send me to the paradise of Tartarus.
That all you have to say, Nessus?
The Black Tongues will avenge me. I am favored of Hecate.
Her favor won't save you now.
I will.
No more time for talk. Now reap what you sow. Reap it!
Jason, the tribe Nisiros is eternally grateful to you and your friends.
We did what we had to. Without Atalanta's help, we would not have succeeded.
Even in our darkest days, I have always thanked Hermes for sending Atalanta to us.
Lycus.
Let me boast on you, daughter. Don't deny an old centaur that joy. Jason, I present you with this tribal armor of the Nisiros.
I am honored, Lycus.